In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your DMs on TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on inbox. You can see it's next to the plus icon on the right of that. Tap on inbox and then you can see a little paperclip icon at the top right of the screen. If you go ahead and tap on that, that's going to take you to all your direct messages on TikTok. It's very quick and simple to do. There's nothing too complicated about it, but some people have issues trying to get to their DMs. They just don't know where it is and it's hidden within that little paperclip icon underneath inbox. So if you're on your profile, go ahead and tap on inbox on the left of that, then tap on the paperclip icon at the top right, and then you'll be in your TikTok DMs. So that is how you can see your DMs on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.